Having a bent derailleur can cause the shifting to be out of whack. And it'll work fine on some of the gears, but then you get up to some of these other ones, and you can see it starts having some major issues of skipping around, not wanting to be on the proper gear that it's even switched over to. When we look at the cage, we can see that it's ever so slightly bent. And to be honest, it's very hard to tell with just the naked eye. And so that's what we're going to use the tool for. I'm going to use 5mm Allen wrench here to loosen the derailleur. Ooh. Attach the freshly built tool here. Really want to make sure you don't cross thread into the hanger. I'm just going to use a square to measure the distances. I'm going to line up with the valve stem as well. 7 centimeters. Over to this side. Putting us actually just at the same. So it looks like this way I'm actually fine. So we'll move it up to the top, measure this distance. Just shy of 7.5. Okay, right at 7. Maybe pull it this way. Just a touch. Measure again. Way out of whack there. Now I'm at 8.5. So. Back this way a bit. Now we're at 7.5. Just about 7.5. So it's looking good. Alright, now I'm going to disconnect this and reattach the derailleur and see how it's kind of looking. Initially I should have knocked this down to the lowest gear before detaching this. See if these are working any better. Okay. You can see it's not skipping anymore, but it definitely needs to be indexed again. And that's essentially how you fix a bent derailleur hanger. Now I used a homemade tool. There's obviously much more precise ways to do that, and to be honest, this was actually my first time ever doing it, so I think it went pretty well. Next up, I got to realign and adjust the derailleur again so that the indexing is properly shifting between the gears. But besides that, I think it's looking a lot better because now I can even shift. It's not skipping anymore. So I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a like. Think about subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy.